My friends and I were able to backpack Haleakala for 3 days. I'm so excited to share with you folks what our trip was like. To be honest, the weeks leading to our trip consisted of heavy rains, winds, and thunderstorms. But we lucked out, having, I think, the perfect weekend weather. The first day was the longest, tackling a 3,300 feet loss stretching a little under 10 miles. Our goal destination was to get to Paliku cabin. Before I actually begin the vlog, I'd like to introduce to you the crew: Daniel, Darren, Eric, me, Bernice, and Mary Lou. We flew in the night before to avoid rushing our first day of backpacking. We grabbed last-minute items at Walmart. We stayed at an interesting hostel for the night. Everything there was communal. Many of us were anxious, and so most of us were up at 4 a.m. to do our last repacking. My pack and Eric's weighed at 30 pounds while the others were in the 20s. Bernice made a great suggestion to grab breakfast at Takamiya Market. Once we grabbed our food, we still had to grab camping fuel cans and successfully found them at Ace Hardware. Haleakala looked very clear that morning, hoping it continues to stay that way throughout the weekend. We indulged in our last real meal before beginning the hour drive to Haleakala. We're dropping off everyone, and then me and Eric's gonna head to where we're gonna end up for our backpacking trip, and then hitchhike it back here. Alright, so we just parked at the Halima'u trailhead.
And hopefully somebody picks us up and drops us off at the summit.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's a long walk.
Yeah, and hopefully it's less than half an hour. If no one picks us up, then we'll probably just drive up and then we'll try to hitchhike on Sunday to go back up. Whew, that's good that there's a trail to the pullout, because I thought me and Eric, we need to snake along the actual road and there's a bend. That is dangerous. Nope. Failed, he didn't like us. I think they're slowing down. No, I guess not. Come on, guys. Who wants to hitchhike? Come on! Okay, so I think 6 cars passed and it's been 7 minutes. So it's like about a car a minute. So update, it's like 9:52 or something. So it's been like 20 something minutes and 13 cars passed. And all they do is either they're like waving, shaka, or they point to the back, and because it shows there's no like seats available. But we might end up just driving back to where we dropped off our crew and then figure the hitchhike thing on Sunday. Okay, final update. 14 cars passed. They did not want to pick us up. We're gonna
Half an hour we waited.
yeah, we're gonna head back up.
Oh wait, one more.
Okay,
one more.
let's try. We made a last attempt and a lovely couple who was visiting from Vancouver picked us up. Thank you so much to Corey and Ryan for letting us catch a ride with you to the top. Alright, we're all excited. We're heading to the Sliding Sands trailhead to actually begin our backpacking trip. Hi, I'm happy! Happy to be here with my friends. Pretty cool, we're in the clouds, slowly making our way down the switchbacks, which is the first part of the trail. Not bad. I just have 3 layers on. Nice and quiet. This is actually the quietest place on earth. It's known to hear -10 decibels on a windless day, so definitely is quiet. The clouds are in and out, so it's kind of like sunny and then cloudy, so we've been kind of switching shedding layers and then putting it back on, but It's still a nice day. Looks like we're on a different planet. Like a meteorite struck this place and a bunch of rocks, like it's all over. So it's beautiful. It's clearing up. So yay! So I already got my first battle scar. I don't know if you see it. It's pretty red. I guess I'm bleeding. I was enjoying the views and I tripped myself over some rocks. So my left ankle kind of rolled, but it's okay so far. So we came across the first grove of a hina, which is that plant right here, also known as a silver sword. I am a alumni of Chaminade, so go silver swords, but it's really cool to see it up front. A hina means really gray in Hawaiian, and it's actually an endangered native plant. So it's very special and only exists here in Haleakala and also up in Mauna Kea or Maui, I think. The silvery coat you see is actually a defense mechanism to protect itself from the sun. So basically, it's like a sunscreen. Fun fact, there's 30% more UV radiation up here compared to at sea level. Very sandy terrain. It's like loose sand. Oh, yes. Oh, hello. First glimpse of Pukiawe, right next to the ohelo bush, right after all these rocks. Wow, you can actually see the crater floor now. It's clearing up. I am in awe. So beautiful, like what Darian said. Pictures, videos, they don't do justice. Such beautiful colors, pastel, clay-like, with little mounds, which is also known as pu'us or cinder cones, just in the crater floor. So we're almost there to the floor, but we haven't really had a view until now, and we're able to just soak in all these beautiful colors. Very soft black sand coming upon the first main junction. Wow, it's actually a beautiful day. The weather cleared up. You can see all of everything. Look at that. You can really see the cinder cones. We have about 3-point-something miles left to Paliku cabin, which is where we're staying for tonight. We just had lunch and actually had a cut and blisters on my arms. My friends did some first aid on me, so thankful that we had a first aid kit. This section of the trail has a lot of stairs, somewhat stairs, and it's very shrubby. Ali'i. Okay, so we're a little under 2 miles left to Paliku cabin, so almost there. We're so blessed because the weather really cleared up compared to when we started this morning. So yeah, it's awesome just to be able to see the whole crater.
That's nice. That's so cool.
Yeah, that is really cool. It's low.
Yeah. No, not that sand. Yeah.
Iliahi, we think. But look how huge this tree is compared to every other tree here. Ule vukushwe a seshwa. Rainbow is still there. So pretty. And it's over this pu'u. Alright, 3:51, 1.3 miles left. Okay, it's 4:30 and we have 0.2 miles left. You could tell the group is kind of tired. It's been a long day. Some of us has been up since 4 in the morning, but we're just so happy that we're close to shelter. We're gonna enjoy the fire with wood provided. Ooh. But so far so good. Waterfall. Cool. And there's Nanny right there. What an awesome reward. All greeted by the cabin, Nanny, waterfall, and beautiful Kapalaoa. Amazing. And we're home. We're home. Woohoo! So far just us.
Oh, so nice getting out of the suit.
Fuel left here. Here's the fire. We actually had trouble making the fire because the wood was a bit damp, but Darren was able to find a way, and the warmth kept the cabin nice and toasty for the rest of the night. We put our wet shoes near the fire to help dry off while we slept throughout the night. And that sums up day 1 of our adventure. We were glad the weather held up, having us enjoy the crater views, native plants, and unique landscape. Thanks for staying this far in the video, and stay tuned for our next one on day 2 from Paliku to Holua Cabin. Aloha!